여러분 안녕하세요. 김쌤이에요. Hi everyone, it's 김쌤. In this lesson, we are going to learn one of the sentence ending, neyo. Are you ready? Let's get started. Neyo is used to express the fact that the speaker has learned through direct experience. It is used to express the speaker's emotional states such as surprise or admiration. It is mainly used in casual situation. For example,
왜 이렇게 안 와?
올 때가 지났는데 무슨 일 있는 거 아니야? 저기 오네.
A and B were waiting for their friend C, but C hasn't arrived yet, and B was worried. But B saw C is coming. Then B can say, 저기 오네. Then what's the difference between 아요 and neyo? 아요 is polite ending, but neyo expresses spontaneous reaction based on speaker's emotion. Let me show you two examples. The first one, 마이클 씨, 한국어 잘하세요. The second one, 마이클 씨, 한국어 정말 잘하시네요. The two sentences are literally the same. However, the first sentence states only the fact Michael speaks Korean well. But in the second sentence, the speaker didn't know that Michael speaks Korean well. But after hearing Michael's Korean, the speaker learned that Michael was good at Korean. So the speaker spontaneously responded to Michael's Korean skills with a surprise. neyo is also used to express when agreeing with something said by someone else. Even in this case, the speaker's direct experience is required. For example,
길이 너무 막히는데요?
정말 심하네요.
after hearing what A said, B agreed using neyo. Then how do you make the pattern of neyo? 1. neyo is used with verbs and adjectives regardless of whether the stem has a final consonant or not. Only if the final consonant is real is dropped. For example, 가다 to go is changed to 가네요. 먹다 to eat is changed to 먹네요. In the case of 살다 to live, the stem of 살다 finished with the consonant real, so real is dropped and it becomes to 사네요. 작다 to be small is changed to 작네요. 예쁘다 to be pretty is changed to 예쁘네요. In the case of 길다 to be long, the stem of 길다 finished with the consonant real, so real is dropped and it becomes to 기네요. 2. 이네요 is combined with nouns. When the noun ends with a vowel, add neyo, and when the noun ends with a consonant, add 이네요. For example, 가수 ends with a vowel, so 가수 is changed to 가수네요. 여름 ends with a consonant, so 여름 is changed to 여름이네요. 3. noun 이가 아니다 is changed to noun 이가 아니네요. For example, 남친이 아니다 is changed to 남친이 아니네요. 4. neyo is often used with an exclamation or adverb indicating degree. For example, 글씨를 정말 잘 쓰네요. As I told you before, neyo expresses the speaker's emotional states based on direct experience. Therefore, it is not used for things that the speaker has not directly experienced. For example,
먹어봐. 완전 맛있어.
맛있네요.
Before the speaker tasted, she cannot say 맛있네요. In this case, the speaker can say 맛있겠네요, which expresses guess.
먹어봐. 완전 맛있어.
오, 맛있겠네요.
You can use 겠네요 when you ask the listener to agree to your guess. When you say it, raise your hand up like this.
저는 딸 하나, 아들 하나 있어요.
어머, 리나 씨 닮았으면 딸이 진짜 이쁘겠네요. Here, 미선 asked Lina to agree to her guess saying 이쁘겠네요. Another example is 일 빨리 끝내면 주말에는 시간 여유 좀 있겠네요. The speaker also asked the listener to agree to her guess saying 있겠네요. Last but not least, 았었네요 can be used when representing the speaker's emotional states for the other person's past behavior or state. For example, 오, 이 그림 누가 그렸어요?
제가 어렸을 때 그렸어요.
어머, 정말 잘 그렸네요. A saw the picture and learned that it was painted by B when he was young. A expressed a surprise saying 잘 그렸네요. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please let me know in a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe with notification so that we can keep in touch. I'm making new videos about Korean language and culture every week. And I'd love to see you back here. See you in the next video. 안녕!